Hello and welcome back. In this video, we are going to be looking at how hackers haunt your social media accounts, not just your social media accounts, every instance online where your username or your names are used as a username with a tool known as Sherlock, right? Welcome back. If you go online and type Sherlock GitHub, you are going to find under the Sherlock project, right, this tool, and you just need to copy the link from here and clone it on your terminal, and then just follow cd into the folder and run pbx install Sherlock project. It's that simple, right? Then I have it installed already, which means that we are going to just grab it and then use it. So let me open up my terminal, and if we list my home directory, I think you should have Sherlock somewhere. This is it right here. So I'm going to run Sherlock against my own name, and you will see how this tool gathers information from the internet about everywhere the name Komi Muhammad is used as a password. Just run it Sherlock Komi Muhammad and you are good. Or you could do Sherlock-H to look at the help page. If I wanted the output to output the result to a file, then I'll definitely use a dash dash output or a dash or, and that will be fine. But I just want to run the tool, right? I just want to run it so that you see how it works. So I'm gonna do Sherlock for Komi Muhammad like this, and if I hit enter, basically Sherlock would go online, and every instance where the name Komi Muhammad is a username, Sherlock basically would grab it and it will put it right here on the terminal. But if we were sending the results into a file with output, Sherlock would save the results into a file, and then we can use it when we want, right? And notice that it doesn't just give you like it gives everything with a link. So if we come here, for instance, and I'm going to copy this last one for medium, and if I come here on my browser and just paste it, hitting that, it takes me straight to my medium account, right? So this is the power of Sherlock, and you can see it continues, and it's gonna keep on till it's done. But we're going to end here, and for a bonus, another tool that does this, and it is you can get it directly on your browser. It's a tool known as What's My Name. What's My Name, and What's My Name basically it works very well. All you need to do is just come here and paste your user name, and all the footprints are going to be the tool is going to go and search online to try to find. You will see it's already populating results. Komi Muhammad, I think this is Facebook. you will see my YouTube information, my LinkedIn, and so on and so forth. It keeps running. It will check from 40 to 700 different websites. You can see my TikTok. You can also see my X and my Medium, and it tells you that hey, we are 100% sure that this is the account of this person. Thank you so much, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.